Hello everyone, my name is SINCHANA. I'm from first year EC branch. Startup company proposed name Human Care, product presented name soap, then product proposed name is Luxury Soap. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. When you take a bath, all the dust should be go away and should become white. The second one, the fragrance of the soap should last a long time and it should not spoil. Define based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of the customers. Many new features are added to the existing product name soap, futuristic product name luxury soap. Ideate some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here: Yastimadu, Lakshya, Manjista, aloe vera, coconut oil and turmeric. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to the time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.